They're mad at me because I haven't fed them yet this morning. But we're gonna try to get everybody moved today, so I'm just cleaning out the chicken coop. Because this thing's heavy enough as it is. Even though it's got wheels, it's not extremely maneuverable. Like, I can push it on my own, but lifting and pulling and turning it around usually takes two people. So I'm just going to try to get as much of their bedding out as possible, so that it's as light as it can get. It's not going to make a huge difference, but you know, well, that's actually quite a bit of bedding. So spread out, that adds a lot of weight to it. I got at least 2 bags of bedding in here just from the winter. Alright, so my idea is, because we have those T-posts in the ground, we're not going to be able to drive the truck through it, so we'll just pull open the fence and pull the truck forward. Sebastian, it's okay! I'm going to pull the truck forward so that we can just wheel the coop around and go thread it between the T-posts and then up into the truck.
Those are the T-posts?
Huh?
Are those the T-posts?
The coop. The coop. I think it'll fit through the T-post better than the truck will. Feels like Oregon. Hey. Or what? Like, you guys don't care. The poor chickens, though. You guys are wet, huh? Yeah. Supremely confused. You got food. Everybody good? Hey, Plucky. Alright. get you filled in. You lay in there, Plucky? Yeah. What about you? Did you already lay? Oh, here we go, girls. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, we do have an egg from April already. This bucket. I know. I know. There you go, ladies. Oh, some fresh shavings. Fresh shavings. Yeah. How's that? How's that? There we go. That'll do it. Hey now. Hey now. I just got that ready for you. Why are you kicking the stuffing out? I'm sorry. Was it not to your specifications? Picky, picky. Can you believe this? You just went and laid your egg in an empty nest box. Jeez, Plucky. Can't do anything right for you, can I?
Oh no, I'm stuck. A fire? What can?
You see their ramp finally just completely busted off. That's not a big deal. They can't hop and fly up there. I'm gonna build a new one for this. The old one was just a couple of strips of wood. It wasn't very well put together in the first place. I'll put some more stuffing in for the babies too. Not too bad. Just some of it fell out when we were moving it. Ah, kiddos! Look at all this fresh new grass you have to eat, huh? All three ladies gave us eggs today. I'm actually kind of surprised. I figured the stress of moving would throw off their laying cycle. Good job, girls!
Geese, don't fucking bowl them over.
Especially as they move over into the wildflowers.
Yeah.
What you think, guys? Oh, found something tasty. And then
Once a month, tired is very dangerous. I don't need you under my feet. I don't need you running around. I don't even need to worry about where you're at. I want you in your seat.